Hey guys, it's Christine here with Powder Crafts. Today I finally received my Scrapping for Less card kit, which I was excited to receive until I saw the condition in which my mail carrier bent to put in my box, even though I've asked her several times to please leave my packages on my doorstep, not shoved in my mailbox like this. This isn't the first package she's destroyed. So anyway, let's get in here and let's see what we have. Oh, it's stuck here. Alright. This is super cute packaging. Super cute. I love all the little bags they put these little kits in. So adorbs. So I'm going to have to probably go in and just file a complaint against my mail carrier because obviously talking to her once and leaving a note doesn't mean anything. Okay, now I have avoided all videos because I wanted to see, all unboxing videos, I wanted to see what was in here. I love it when it's a surprise. Ooh, already loving. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so cute. All right, let me see. Okay, this is kit 1. All right, let's take a peek at my cardstock. All right, I have, it's like two pieces of white. Ooh, we get lots of different colors this month. I'm pretty excited about that. Let's see what these colors are. I did go onto their website and I printed off the card sketches and the list, which was so hard. So I printed the card sketches and then this so that way I wouldn't see what was on the list. But the theme for this month is castles and dreams. And okay, yes, here are, there's a list now. They have a list of the colors that they're going to send us. So let's see if I can figure out. This one I think might be the Night Shift Blue. This is probably Limeade. This one's the Bubblegum. This is Razzleberry. Grape Jelly. And that was this must be the Berrylicious. So I am in love with all of these cardstock colors. Super, super pretty and probably completely appropriate for castles and dreams. So we've got two of the Nina 110-pound smooth white cardstock, and then we have 6 of the colored cardstocks, and these are from My Favorite Things. So super sad about that, but at least I have the other half. Okay, let's get into it. Let's see. Collection number 1. I did see that one. Here we go. Dragon Tales. I don't have anything dragon related. Well, no, I take that back. I do. I just purchased the Magical Dragon stamp set from My Favorite Things. I made a tutorial of using that for a birthday card. That should be coming up really, really soon. Okay. So here's our Dragon Tales. These are the sequins. Super cute. Here's the stamp set. Oh, I like that the sentiment and the image are separate. Fairy tales are more than true, not because they tell us that dragons exist, but because they tell us that dragons can be beaten. All right. Oh, and we have let's see, I think this is from Doodlebugs. Yeah, Dragon Tales by Doodlebug Designs. So this is the half sheet of icon stickers. Here's my envelope. And here are the pattern papers. These are the Dragon Tail papers from Doodlebug. It looks like fire, like when the dragon breathes fire. Ooh, these are double-sided. I love those little strips. And the little boats. Wow, that one's really busy. I like it, but it's really busy. Ooh, I love it when I get these, because sometimes when you don't want to just use the one sentiment from the set, you have these, and that's amazing. Love it. And this one's just like some stars, and I love it because it's a little more muted, so you can be a little more playful. And we have some little brads here. So it looks like I got 4, 5, 6, 7, we got 8. So that is kit number 1. So let's just put all that right there for right now. Okay, let's see. What is kit number 2? Let's see if I can figure these out, because my sequins are backwards. Because like with this one here, it'll tell you like kit 1. So I just need to take the little sequins and, okay, that's 3. Let's try this one. Otherwise, it's been a good Monday. Today is Monday when I'm filming this. I hope you had a great start to your week. Okay. Of course, it's the last one that I have. This is number 2. Aren't they adorable? I'm so excited to open this one up. Just because I'm even loving that right now. Okay. If I can get in here. Ooh, those are cool. All right, let's see here. Here's our stamp. It's an Avery L stamp. What's it called? It is Be a Unicorn. Love that little unicorn. Wishing you a magical day with a little rainbow. Love it. And we have another half icon sticker sheet from Doodlebug. Really cute. And the papers are Fairy Tales by Doodlebug Designs. I love Doodlebug paper. I think if you like a lot of this whimsical stuff, you probably love Doodlebug. So cute. And again, I have some more of these cut aparts. I really like this. I don't know if it'll zoom in. Not really, sorry. Okay. Ooh, love the stripes. And these little balloons, some stars, rainbows. Ooh, more of those little cutouts. Wow. So adorable. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Here's our envelope. Here are our sequins. They are called Fairy Tales. Pretty. And then we have Sparkly Star Buttons by Buttons Galore. Those are kind of adorable. Actually, not kind of. They are adorable. Okay. So that was everything in the collection number 2, kit number 2. Here's number 3. It is My Sweet Prince. All right, we have another Stamping Bella stamp set. Aren't they cute? No one is too old for fairy tales. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is very nice. We have gold mesh. I thought they were like stickers. This actually feels kind of Interesting. I have never used this, so that'll be fun to use. Try something new. We have some enamel shapes. So I have a prince and a crown and a couple of arrows here. And some stars. Our envelope. And the paper is Once Upon a Prince by Echo Park. And again, double-sided. I really like this. I think because it's a little more masculine. So this will be perfect for like little boy cards. Oh, look at that. Super cute. Ooh, I like the little books. Yeah, so don't really know. I guess it's just like a little crown. But I really like those papers. Very nice. And again, they're a little more masculine, so those will be great for some boy cards. All right. And our last collection all right, here's the stamp from La La Land Crafts. Have a magical day. She is so pretty. Here are the sequins. My Sweet Princess. These are really pretty. There's even some different shapes in here. Lots of pinks and purples. Very cute. And we have some pearl enamels. There we go. And I have some enamel shapes. So we have this one that says Dream and some of these hearts. These feel really, really nice and durable. I like that. And here's our envelope, and our paper is Once Upon a Time Princess by Echo Park. Ooh, I like this one too. So very similar to the Once Upon a Prince, except more feminine pinks and purples. Super cute. All right, so those are all of the items I received for each one of my collections. Now, I do purchase the banana split level. So let's dig in here. So I do believe now they are only doing 2 levels. The double dip sundae, which is everything we just saw. And then you can get the banana split, which is everything you just saw, plus what's in this little pack. So let's get in here. And see what we have. As always, we get a little lollipop. My daughter always snatches those. We have this pretty pink spray by Mr. Huey. I have not ever played with the spray. This is the first. I'm kind of excited to see what that's all about. All right. What else do we have here? We have this little stamp set here. It's Castles and Dreams. And it says Castle and Dreams Sentiment Stamp by Scrapping for Less. I didn't know they made their own stamp, so this is very, very cool. Once upon a time, a dream is a wish your heart makes. You're my knight in shining armor. Sorry to hear you're a dragon. Sweet as a princess, unique as a unicorn, enchanted you are. Let me be your knight and believe that there are unicorns. Shakespeare. That is so cool because you can use this stamp set for all of those collections. Ooh, and we have this little Doodle Pop sticker from Doodlebugs. I love it. And oh my gosh, I almost bought one of these recently. The Rainbow Die by Paper Smooches. I'm so glad I didn't buy it. Because now it's in this kit. Now I don't have to. Well, I mean, I did because I bought the kit, but you know what I mean. Anyway, that is my unboxing for the Flavor of the Month card kit by Scrapping for Less. The theme is castles and dreams. I'm really excited to play with this. This is totally my style, and I really need to replenish my shop of some birthday cards, so this is going to be perfect. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. But until next time, bye!